Kashmir, meanwhile, is again a hot topic. That's for discussion during the election season. It's a flashpoint as well. A political showdown took place between Defence Minister Rajnath Singh and for the remark that he made and other leaders, specifically of the India Bloc Association. Shashi Tharoor was under fire for allegedly using the term Indian-administered Kashmir. In one of his columns, this was for a Bangladeshi daily. Here's more on what happened and why what Rajnath Singh had said about Pakistan occupied Jammu Kashmir's merger with India and how the opposition leaders reacting to it.
शहजादे को प्रधानमंत्री बनाने के लिए पाकिस्तान उतावला है।
चुनाव चल रहा है हमारे देश में और राहुल गांधी को समर्थन मिल रहा है पाकिस्तान में, विदेश में। क्यों राहुल गांधी ने अब तक पाकिस्तान के समर्थन को नकारा नहीं?
Nationalism in the 2024 campaign with Pakistan not the sole focus. Pakistan occupied Kashmir has also become a significant issue during this election season.
पाक अधिकृत कश्मीर हमारा था, है और रहेगा।
अभी तो पाकिस्तानी बैठे हैं ना।
अरे था, है और रहेगा भाई।
तो वापस लीजिए ना फिर। वापस लीजिए।
अरे खुद ही आएंगे लोग, खुद ही आएंगे लोग। आपने नहीं देखा पाक ऑक्युपाइड कश्मीर में मांग हो रही है कि हमको भारत में मर्ज किया जाना चाहिए, और यह बात तो 2 साल पहले आर्मी डे के अवसर पर आर्मी ऑफिशियल्स को एड्रेस करते हुए मैंने श्रीनगर में ही 2 साल पहले ही कहा था।
आपको लगता है हमारे जीते जी वो वक्त आएगा जब भारत का ही एक अभिन्न हिस्सा बनेगा?
इस संभावना को भी नकारा नहीं जा सकता।
India's defense minister hasn't ruled out the possibility of the line of control disappearing eventually, with POK becoming part of India. India's external affairs minister reiterated the parliament's resolution on POK, asserting it as integral to India.
All I can say with respect to POK, that there is a parliament resolution. Every political party of this country is committed to ensure POK, which is a part of India, returns to India. This actually is our national commitment.
The discussion on Pakistan-occupied Kashmir during elections has sparked political reactions. Former Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister Farooq Abdullah responded to the Defence Minister's statement on POK.
डिफेंस मिनिस्टर कह रहे हैं तो करें, हम कौन से रोकने वाले हैं? हमें तो पहुंचेंगे नहीं। ये भी याद रखे वो भी चूड़ियां पहने हुए नहीं है, याद रखिए। उनके पास भी एटम बम है, ये याद रखिएगा। और अफसोस यह है कि वो एटम बम हमारे ऊपर ही गिरेगा।
The ruling BJP shared an article written by Congress leader Shashi Tharoor for a Bangladeshi publication, emphasizing the term Indian-administered Kashmir in relation to the Pulwama attack of 2019, implying a pro-Pakistan stance. The theme of Indian nationalism, particularly concerning Pakistan as well as POK, remains a prominent aspect of the 2024 Lok Sabha elections. Bureau Report, India Today.